Hello, this is Crypto Neptune, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the most recent price action with Telcoin. We're also going to talk about how Telcoin has been holding up strong here of late and the most recent updates from Telcoin leadership. So we're going to dive into that as what is on the roadmap for Telcoin. And then lastly, I conducted a survey, a couple of different surveys with Telfam that you would be interested to see. Remember, nothing I say is financial advice, only use risk capital, and thank you to those who continue to support the channel. So it's pretty encouraging to see Telcoin above a penny as we've established a new floor. I know at one point we were struggling to get to 0.005, 0.007, 0.009, and we have gradually continued to move up above a penny. Now we're down 4.94% over the last 24 hours. But again, an opportunity for you to DCA in on red days and sitting at a $937 million market cap. It has gotten as high as $1 billion and $9 million in trading volume over the last 24 hours. And if we look at the 7-day, we're down 19.26%. So again, an opportunity to get some Telcoin on a discount. Now, if you're somebody that's saying, well, you're not pleased with the price action, you kind of have to look at Telcoin as a whole over the last year. And as you can see at its bottom here in September, we're sitting at 0.001 and we did a 10x move to the top. So this is showing strength. This is showing momentum as we essentially try to get to all-time highs and beyond. So I'm pleased with the price action. More and more people on social media, on X, are talking about Telcoin. So it is good to see that everybody's spreading the message, and more people are looking for something that also has utility that they can believe in. And Telcoin is a project in which you can believe in as they continue to build out products. And now, if we go over to the Telcoin page, so this was I was unaware of. So Telcoin is returning to Rwanda next week for IFF 2025. See who will be speaking at our sponsored workshop. So let's go ahead and roll this clip real quick. Yeah, so this is cool to see. So another way for Telcoin to spread the message and develop those connections and networking for spreading the message of Telcoin. So Rajesh will be out there, Sagar will be out there as again the I can't stress this enough, and I'm thoroughly impressed with Telcoin leadership as they continued to be out there, be visible, and doing whatever it takes to take Telcoin to the next level. So this is cool. And if we go up, here's another event here. So Telcoin is headed back to Barcelona for MWC 25. We're sending an even bigger team demonstrate Telcoin network and the huge potential of blockchain as a network service to GSMA telecoms. And this is more information. Looks like they're going to have a booth, but this is going to be in March. So they're going to have end of February. They're going to be in Rwanda, and then right after that, going to be in Barcelona. So this is pretty cool. So let's play this clip real quick. Yeah, so that's impressive. So this definitely shows strength as Telcoin is sending a whole team down there. A lot of people involved with Telcoin within Telcoin itself. So definitely liking what I'm seeing. It's kind of a united front, to try to conquer all. But again, another opportunity. The more people out there talking about Telcoin, the better. But also, you have those key people to be able to talk about in-app functionality and do all these different demonstrations to tell people and show them why Telcoin is a force to be reckoned with. So I'm pretty excited about this and to kind of figure out what comes from this. So I'm sure we'll get updates as they come out, but a couple of big events that could potentially have more and more people invest in Telcoin and even want to partner with us. So this is big time stuff here. Now, if we let's go to my profile. We go to my profile. So I conducted a couple of different surveys. So the first survey I conducted on February 14th, and this was regarding price action. I said, okay, Telfam, give me your Telcoin price prediction for all-time high for 2025. And I said V4 app update, digital asset bank, incoming M&Os. And 43% of Telfam feel that the target price is 25 cents for this bull run. Now, we have to keep in mind that we have a pro-crypto administration now. And in fact, it's pro-crypto everywhere in the world now, which we need to look at that. So 25 cents coupled with a strong Telcoin community, Telfam, this is achievable. But we have to use the resources that we have available. We have to continue to spread the message, get people to use, the Telcoin app, download it, use it, and continue to tell them why that this app is needed. So, and then there's some people down here, even some people thinking a dollar, 17%, 50 cent. That's a strong number. So 28% of the community feels that 50 cents is a target price. Who knows? And then bare minimum 10 cents. With some people feel here that's at 11, a little over 11%. So always cool to do these surveys to get everybody's opinions because nobody knows. None of us are right, but I like to do these surveys, get community involvement. I like to hear from you guys what you feel. So, but the consensus right now is 25 cents. Anything beyond that would be gravy, but a lot of people will be sitting pretty if we get to that 25-cent point, right? So for me personally, as we move up past those all-time highs, I will be taking some profits. However, I will be leaving a moon bag just in case we go up even higher. So that's the key because if you shoot up if you if you sell everything, then you may kick yourself if you continue to go up. And also, I plan to hold some Telcoin for the long run because I'm thinking beyond 2025 as we don't know what the future holds. Like this could potentially blow up. So yeah, I want to keep some Telcoin too, on the off chance that we continue to build momentum as a digital asset bank. And here's like a recent survey that I conducted that's still ongoing. I said, Telfam, please tell me your satisfaction with Transact within Telcoin app. So far, 52.9% say it works well. 17.6% say unable to use Transact. And then add new payment option, 29.4%. It's important to do anybody that's selling a product in any market, it is important to do surveys to get feedback from the community. This is vital to the success of any product. So this tells me a couple of different things. It tells me that the majority of Telfam are pleased with how Transact is working. There is a percentage that are unable to use Transact. And for me, I fall in the percentages of unable to use Transact. I have escalated it a couple of times. And like with crypto.com, with Gemini, I can easily hook my bank account and debit card, use it, and I'm good to go. But for whatever reason, I keep running into issues with Transact, and they won't allow me to use Transact. So for me, what I have to do is send USDT or USDC from crypto.com into the app in order to get it. So for me, I would definitely like to see another payment option in which I don't have to use Transact. So for example, be able to add a bank account or debit card without having to use Transact at all. Or another payment option like Apple Pay. And I'm sure some of this is on the roadmap, maybe like Apple Pay or something like that, or any other MoonPay. MoonPay is another one that is very, very popular with crypto apps. So, but yeah, I like to do surveys. So, we'll continue to do surveys and kind of gauge the feeling of the community, because feedback from the community and from Telfam is everything. So for me, in this video, that is essentially it. We're holding strong at a penny as far as the recent price action for Telcoin. We'll have an event in Rwanda coming up the end of February, and then another event in Barcelona in which they're sending a full team there to network and continue to share the message. And then we have community surveys here, which are important, and they're also kind of fun to conduct too. So I want to thank you for listening to this video, and thanks for stopping by.